Hello. Today we will learn about OKX 30% fee discount sign-up, identity verification, and trading methods. Also, I will show you how to check whether the referral was properly applied when signing up. Sign up. I will show you the sign-up method right away. I left the sign-up link in the description of my YouTube video. If you enter through that link, you will see a screen like the one above. If you sign up using the link I provided, you can receive a 30% fee discount benefit. Returning to the main point, you must first select your nationality. Select according to the nationality you live in. Check the terms of service and proceed. Then enter the email you will use. If possible, I recommend using Google email, since future trading alerts and deposit withdrawal notifications will be sent to this email. It will be more convenient if it is an email you use frequently. After entering your email before proceeding, you can check the referral below. Please check whether the referral has been properly applied. If it is confirmed, press Next to proceed. Then the email verification screen will appear. There will be a verification code sent to the email you used to sign up. Please copy and paste it. If the email does not arrive, please also check your spam mailbox. After completing the email verification, you must also proceed with phone number verification. Enter the phone number you will use and proceed. When writing the number, enter it without spaces. Then, after a short while, a verification code will arrive at the number you entered. Enter that verification code and press Next. Now finally, you only need to set a password. For the password, it must be at least 8 characters. Include at least 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter. Include at least 1 number and 1 special character. You must satisfy all of these requirements. Once the password setup is complete, press Next. Your sign-up will be completed. Now let's immediately learn how to complete identity verification. Identity verification. For OKX identity verification, based on the main screen, click the profile. There is an identity verification page in the 4th option. If you press it, the screen above will appear. 2 options will appear. Please select personal identity verification. Then you need to select your nationality. Usually, it is automatically set. Next, you will proceed by choosing a driver's license, ID card, or passport. I will proceed with an ID card. When you proceed, a QR code will be provided to continue on your phone. Then start by scanning the QR code. If scanning does not work well, select the profile. Identity verification is right at the first option. Select the ID you want and proceed. You will see a message saying it will move to the web. Then it will load. Please wait for a moment and it will proceed automatically. After a short while, the following screen will appear. You can proceed with the process. As a precaution, the ID should not be cut off when photographed. Avoid light reflection, and make sure the ID is not blurry. Press Next. The phone camera will turn on. Use that camera to photograph the selected ID according to the guide. First, take a photo of the front, then take a photo of the back. If the shooting does not work properly, a message will appear below. If you press the message, you can take the photo manually after the photo is finished. Finally, you will perform a real-time face check. Do not wear a mask or sunglasses. If your face is covered by light, the process cannot proceed. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. Then the identity verification will be completed. Now I will explain the deposit method. Spot trading first. I will explain spot trading. For spot trading, on the OKX home screen, go to Trade. Then look at the second option spot. You can select a coin on the right side, since you can change it after entering. It does not matter which one you select. When you enter, you will see a screen like the one above. At the top left, you can select BTC USD to change the coin. You can proceed with trading on the right side. After selecting purchase, choose limit order or market order. In other exchanges, spot trading limit and market order fees are the same. But in OKX, the fee for limit orders is slightly cheaper. For the usage method, for limit orders, set the price and quantity, then purchase. For market orders, only set the quantity, then purchase. If you want to sell the coin later, enter the sell option, proceed in the same way, then spot trading is finished. Next, I will explain futures trading. Futures trading. Finally, the futures trading method. To go to the futures trading screen, from the home screen, go to Trade. Then select futures and the coin you want. Once you enter the futures trading screen, futures trading separates the wallet from spot trading. Therefore, you need to move coins from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Scroll down on the screen, you will see Transfer. Set it from spot to futures. Enter the amount you want to trade. Press confirm. It will be transferred immediately. When you want to withdraw coins, move coins from the futures wallet back to the spot wallet. Then proceed with the withdrawal. Now let's learn the trading method. At the top left, you can see the trading coin just like spot trading. You can also change it to another coin. I will proceed with a coin that has a low price. Before starting the trade, you must set cross or isolated margin. Isolated margin uses only the assets set for that position as collateral, so it is easier for risk management. Cross margin uses the entire account assets as collateral, so if the loss becomes large, it can affect the whole account. For beginners, I recommend isolated margin. After selecting isolated margin, you can proceed with trading. Next is leverage setting. In OKX, you must set leverage separately for long and short. The fee also changes depending on leverage. If you increase the leverage, the profit rate increases. But losses will also become larger, so you must choose carefully. The default is 20x leverage, but beginners should start with 2x to 5x or lower. Once leverage is set, now you must choose the order type. There are market orders and limit orders. A market order enters the trade immediately, but the fee is higher than limit orders. A limit order sets the price for entry. Sometimes the trade may not be executed quickly, but the fee is cheaper than market orders. Then set the quantity of the coin you want to trade. Finally, choose the direction long or short. If you expect the coin price to fall, choose short. Long position means you expect the price to rise. Short position means you expect the price to fall. Once the entry is completed, your current trade will appear in the position window below. Trade closing method. When closing the trade, you must also choose market or limit order, just like when entering the trade. Choose according to the market situation. When closing with a limit order, you specify the price to exit, set the quantity. When the price reaches that level, the trade will close. If you close with a market order, just enter the quantity and press the button. The trade will close immediately at the market price. Conclusion. With this, we have explained how to identify referral signups and the signup process, from KYC verification to deposit and closing futures trading positions. We have covered the entire process. At first, it may feel a little complicated, but after following it once or twice, you will get used to it quickly. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, please subscribe and like. Thank you.